Example: prove that the evolute of a cycloid is a, again, n equal to cycloid. Solution: let the equation of a cycloid be x equals to a into theta minus sine theta, y equals to a into 1 minus cos of theta. So dx over d theta, differentiating x with respect to theta, a into theta equals to 1 minus sine theta's differentiation cos theta, dy over d theta, differentiation of y with respect to theta, a 1 is differentiation 0 into cos theta is differentiation minus sine theta, so minus minus plus a sine theta. Now dy over dx equals to dy over d theta over dx over d theta. Dy over d theta is a sine theta, and dx over d theta equals to 1 minus a into 1 minus cos of theta. A to a cancel out, so sine theta upon 1 minus cos of theta. Sine theta's value is 2, sine square theta upon 2, and cos theta upon 2 upon 1 minus cos of theta equals to 2, sine square theta upon 2 equals to cot theta upon 2, because sine theta upon 2 to sine theta 1 will cancel out, so 1 remains, cos theta upon 2 sine cos theta upon 2 and sine theta upon 2 equals to cot of theta upon 2. Again, d square y over dx square, differentiation of cot theta upon 2 with respect to x equals to minus 1 upon 2 cosecant square theta upon 2 into d theta over dx equals to minus 1 upon 2 1 upon sine square theta upon 2 into d theta over dx value 1 upon a into 1 minus cos a into 1 minus cos of theta, so equals to 1 upon 2 sine square theta upon 2 2a 1 a into 1 minus cos of theta's values is 2 a into sine square theta upon 2 equals to 1 upon 4a cosecant, so 1 upon sine 4 theta upon 2 equals to cosecant 4 theta upon 2, so 1 plus y1 square upon y2 equals to 1 plus cot theta upon 2 upon 1 minus 1 upon 4a cosecant 4 theta upon 2 equals to minus 4a cosecant square theta upon 2 upon cosecant 4 theta upon 2. Cosecant's power 4 will cancel with 2, remaining the 2 powers, so minus 4a upon cosecant square theta upon 2, so equals to 1 upon cosecant square theta upon 2 equals to minus 4a sine square theta upon 2. Let x bar and y bar be the center of the curvature, so x bar equals to x minus y1 1 plus y1 square upon y2, so x values a into theta minus sine theta minus y1's value cot theta upon 2 into 1 plus y1 square upon y2's value minus 4a sine square theta upon 2, so equals to a into theta minus sine theta plus 4a cot theta's value cos theta upon 2 and sine theta upon 2 into sine square theta upon 2 equals to a into theta minus sine theta plus 2a into 2 sine theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2 equals to a theta minus a sine theta plus 2a sine theta. A sine theta minus a sine theta plus 2a sine theta equals to plus a sine theta, so a theta plus a theta sine theta, So x bar equals to a into theta plus sine theta, and y bar equals to y plus 1 plus y1 square upon y2 equals to y's value is a into 1 minus cos of theta minus 4a sine square theta upon 2, the value of 1 plus y1 square upon y2 value, so equals to a into 1 minus cos of theta minus sine square theta upon 2's value is so minus 2a 1 minus cos of theta, so equals to minus a into 1 minus cos of theta. Putting theta equals to theta dash plus pi, we have x bar equals to pi a plus a into theta dash minus sine theta dash, and y bar equals to minus 2a plus a into 1 minus cos theta dash, which is n equals to cycloid.